Today, I will share one of my build that I call Naruto Running Corpse Explosion. It very comfortable in leveling. In Diablo IV, Necromancer build is all about summoning minions to cut through demons while you explode corpses for massive damage. No surprise there, really, as it's all in the name. You may wonder, what is the different from the normal corpse explosion? Well, this is. When you complete story and enter to World Tier 3, we've a chance to got an item that change our quality of life. Yes, as you know, you can get some unique item if you get a change to have this. Don't throw it away. It the Howl from Below Secret Unique Glove. It effect is instead of detonating immediately, corpse explosion summons a volatile skeleton that charges at a random enemy and explodes. Corpse explosion's damage is increased by 30 to 40%. It is unique item, so you cannot imprint it. You must use it as it is. This is my equipment and aspect. You can change as you please. First aspect, consuming a corpse has a chance to spawn blood orb. For healing, skeleton mage +2 for more minions. For this build the Howl from Below Secret Unique Glove. This is the key. Aspect of disobedience, it increased armor. This you can change to what you want. Blights pull enemies to control the field. Change Bonestrom and Bloodwave to darkness skill. This you can change to what you want, but I recommend you to use wand for more attack speed. Skeleton mage cast a blizzard every 10 seconds to make enemies stand still. Ring of Mendelin, we have a lot of minions anyway, but this you can change to what you want. Golem has a chance to reduce cooldown. Also this you can change to what you want. A little tip about amulet. If you play Necromancer, you should put minion skill in it, because it effect is plus 50%, so you get one more skeletal from it. For me like warrior, so I put it in. About the Book of Dead, I think not much important for me, so select as you see fit. About the skill. Decompose makes a corpse every 2.5 seconds and generates essence, making it an important builder for the Necromancer. Decompose deals damage over time, and Enhanced Decompose grants you 10 essence whenever an enemy dies while affected by it. You can then grab Acolyte's Decompose, granting you and your minions a 10% damage boost against decomposed enemies, or select the slow effect. Blight fires out a blast of shadow magic that deals damaged enemies on impact and leaves behind an AoE in which enemies will take massive damage over the following 6 seconds, with full upgrade. Hewed Flesh level 3 for more cores. Skeletal Warrior Mastery if you want your minions stronger. Corpse Explosion is the key to this build, allowing you to explode corpses. It's simple, but hugely effective, making it a staple skill for all necromancers across the Diablo franchise. It turns all corpses that you generate into bombs. With the Blighted Corpse Explosion upgrade, which turns it into a darkness skill, and causes any triggered corpses to deal huge amounts of shadow damage for 6 seconds. Grim Harvest level 3 for more essence, and Fuels by Death for more damage. Skeletal Mage Mastery for your minions stronger. Geriosome Mending and Transfusion. It combo with Aspect consuming a corpse has a chance to spawn Blood Orb to heal you and your minions. Necrotic Carapace for a little fortify. Reaper's Pursuit, Gloom, Terror, Crippling Darkness, can adjust by your playstyle if you want to move or more damage. Golem Mastery of Chaos needed, and other minions skill. Bonestorm or Army of the Dead is up to your playstyle. Kalen's Edict or Shadow Blight, also up to your playstyle. For Paragon board, I recommend you to go to Flash Eater legendary node first, after that Cult Leader or Shadows legendary node. Let me show you how this build play. For leveling, in my experience, the best way is the Gathering Regions World event. This World Zone event is a level 25 plus missions that can be quite difficult to complete as it runs on a time limit, but offers some of the best rewards, including XP, gold, and renown. The event becomes available after clearing the stronghold and requires players to slay waves of enemies, 3 servants of health, and the big boss. With this build, basically you stand still and press the skill corpse explosion only. The minion is your shield. When you take damage you pick up some blood orb to heal you and your minion as you consume corpse.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
This is it. Very comfortable in leveling. No need to focus manually, and no waste of corpse left behind. Because it is charges toward to some bad demon, Our volatile skeleton running like Naruto kill enemy for us.
I'm out of essence.